just uploaded the thing.
North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Asheville Police Department is searching for a Quilaya with Taryn Jackson, 10-year-old black female, 4 feet 11 inches tall, 90 pounds, black eyes and black hair. Quilaya was last seen wearing a pink polka dot shirt, white hoodie with cap letters in green and blue on the front, blue jeans, white Adidas or Jordan shoes with pink or peach stripes. Quilaya is believed to be with her mother, Quayante Terry Armand Simmons, 20-year-old black female, brown eyes, black hair, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 260 pounds. Quayante has a tattoo on her right eye that says tank, tattoo on the right forearm that says blessed, and another tattoo on the forearm that also says Peach Dirty South. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Asheville Police Department immediately at 828-252-1110 or call 911 or star HP. This is an Amber Alert.